What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is a very exciting news for all the Galaxy S25 users. Very soon you will be able to enroll yourself to the One UI 9 beta program if you are in the eligible countries. Yes, thanks to Tarun Watts for sharing this information on X. The One UI 9 beta community page is now live here in India. You can see this is the page. You can see on this page at the bottom S26 series is available and now S25 series have been added for the beta program. Right here you can see the header One UI beta program. This is on the Samsung community page, which means now we will be getting the One UI 9 beta for the Galaxy S25 series. Now, whenever the beta program releases, you need to be on your toes to enroll yourself, because if the slots are limited, you may not be able to get yourself enrolled. So for this, what you need to do is you need to go to Samsung Members application. On Members application, you will see the beta program banner right here on the top, or you'll be able to see the banner somewhere around here. Or you can also go all the way down here. You can see beta program is mentioned. If I tap on this, it says currently no beta programs are available. As soon as you enroll, you can go to the settings and then check the updates. You will be able to download the latest One UI 9.0 beta. Now, as of now, One UI 9 beta is available on the Galaxy S26 series and it is doing pretty well. Not too many bugs or stutters or lags. Everything seems to be fine. The battery performance is also pretty good on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Currently, I'm not facing any major issue on this device. Since it's already been tested on the S26 series, the S25 series will be getting a more stable version of the beta, so you may not find major bugs on the S25 series. And that's the best part about it. When it is already tested on the latest device, you will get a bit more polished version of the beta for the predecessors. Let's wait and see that. As soon as it comes to the Galaxy S25 series, I will keep you guys posted. I will update you. So all you need to do is be sure to subscribe to the channel. I keep posting these kind of contents which will help you update your phone. Always stay updated with all the brand new features, new changes for your Galaxy phone. So be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you find this video informative. Don't forget to download our Volvo's wallpaper application. And more importantly, be sure to rate this application 5 stars on Play Store. That keeps me going on this application. I keep adding more and more wallpapers for you guys. Our development team will keep adding more features for the application. So don't forget to rate this 5-star on Play Store. That's all I have here. Let me know if you're interested in the beta version or not. Drop a comment. This will be available in some of the countries like India, Korea, US, Germany, Poland, UK, etc. Not every country would be getting this, but if you're in these eligible countries, do share your thoughts. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.